Welcome to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this video, we will try to convert a PHP array to JavaScript array. So mostly new users face this problem. So here in the script, I have a PHP array, this one, and then I am trying to pass this $user variable to JavaScript's variable user, and then I try to alert user.name from this variable, JavaScript variable. Let's execute this code inside browser and see what happens. So it has printed nothing, and in the JavaScript console it has simply displayed that reference and $user is not defined. It is saying that this $user is not defined, but we have defined it here. So why it is saying that $user is not defined? So actually the problem is that we have this is the PHP array, this is the PHP variable, and it has scope inside this PHP tags, and we are using this $user variable outside of the PHP tags. So to access this PHP variable, we need to use the PHP tags. So I'm going to apply PHP tags here. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, it says that unexpected token. So what it is saying, so let's try to see the view source of what HTML has been generated. So actually it didn't print anything against the $user variable that we placed inside the PHP tags. So this is because we didn't instruct PHP to print or to echo something. So if I try to echo $user here and then I refresh it, it says that array to string conversion. Why? This is because $user is an array, but we are trying to echo this as a string. So which is not possible that we can print a PHP array as a string. So how we can pass this to our JavaScript variable? So to convert a PHP array into JavaScript array, we need to first use the JSON_encode function, and this function will require a PHP array that we are already passing to it, and it will convert that PHP array into a string based JavaScript object notation. So we need to echo this string, and then we again try to refresh this page. This time it has successfully printed the PHP array as a JavaScript as a JSON object. So in JavaScript, JSON object considered as a JavaScript array, and now this variable will be a JavaScript array, and now we can print this user.name. So if I go to the page again and refresh the page, so it has successfully printed my name and the JavaScript has been gone away. So if we look back to our PHP code, here we had a PHP array. It cannot be printed as a string, and even it cannot be passed as an array to JavaScript variable. So to pass this PHP array to JavaScript, we need to first convert into it some string based format. So JSON is the best format to convert a PHP array into JavaScript array. So for that we use the JSON_encode encode PHP function. This will encode the PHP array into JSON string, and then we will print this JSON string as it is, and JavaScript will take this JSON string as a PHP array, JavaScript array, and it will assign that JavaScript array to this JavaScript variable user, and then we can alert the name from this JavaScript array. So this is how we can pass a PHP array into JavaScript array, or we can convert a PHP array variable into JavaScript array variable. So if this you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.